Our next step to our playground is to create the climbing wall assembly. So we're going to need to start a new assembly, and we're going to place our first part, which is going to be the climbing wall. I'm going to change the color of my climbing wall by hitting escape, clicking back on the climbing wall, and changing the color up here from default. And I'm going to change it to pink. You can change it to whatever color you want. If you'd like to leave it the original color, you can. I'm just changing it to a different color to make it a little easier to see. The next part you're going to place is going to be the wall handles. And select open. Just go ahead and place several of them. Notice that there are quite a few holes on our climbing wall. I'm only going to require you to place 15 handles. Once you've got 15 on, you can press escape again. Before we place the wall handles on the climbing wall, we're going to ground the climbing wall so it doesn't move around. So right click on the climbing wall, select grounded, and now we're ready to go ahead and place the wall handles. Select constrain, insert. We are going to select opposed. It's going to be kind of difficult. You'll notice how we can either select the large round part of the wall handle or the smaller part that you insert into the climbing wall. Make sure that when you hover your mouse over it, you have the smaller point to insert into the wall. Then you're going to select one of the climbing wall holes, and you're going to see that you need to click apply, and the wall handle will insert into the wall. Then you're going to repeat this process for all 15 of the wall handles. Select the small part of the wall handle, choose any hole on the climbing wall, and then click apply. I'll do 2 more for you, and then you'll need to do the rest of the 15 on your own. Select the climbing wall handle, and then a hole on the climbing wall. If you would like, you can do it in the reverse order by selecting a hole on the climbing wall, and then the small part of the climbing wall, and then apply. Again, you can select a hole on the climbing wall, and then a climbing wall handle, and then select apply. I've shown you 6. You need to make sure that you have 15 wall handles anywhere on this climbing wall. Once you've done that, you're going to go to File, Save As, place it inside your playground folder, which is located on your H drive. This file name is going to be Climbing Wall Assembly. Click Save. And now you're ready to move on to the next part after you've inserted all 15 wall handles onto the climbing wall.